Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you how you can connect your mobile phone to your smart TV. So I have recently bought this LG smart TV and I am now going to show you how you can connect your TV to your mobile device. So for this you need to download one app I'm showing you in a mobile phone. You need to go to Google Play Store, and here you need to just type in screen sharing app. I'll show you how you can do it. You can type screen sharing app, and this is the app which you need to download. Microcast screen sharing app. This is the app. Miracast screen sharing app. You just need to install it. I have already installed it, so I need to just open it. Just open it. This is the app. So after opening it, you need to just close the ads, and you need to click on this red start button. Just click on it. It will ask you to open your Wi-Fi connection. Open it, and it will show the devices. So my device is LG Smart TV LH576D. So I need to click over it. This is connecting. So this is showing connected. So just see my TV. My phone is now connected to my TV. So whatever I'm going to play on my phone now, you can see my mobile device. This is my mobile device, and this is my TV. Same thing is showing. Same thing is showing on my mobile device, and same thing is showing on my TV. Whatever I'm going to play on my mobile phone will come up on my TV. So this is the thing. I'm going to open this thing on mobile. See my mobile device, same thing, and TV has the same thing. So it's very easy, and now you can use this app, screen sharing app, and connect your mobile device to your TV. You don't need to use any HDMI cable for this. Everything is through Wi-Fi, but you need to remember that you should have Wi-Fi built in your smart TV. So I think you have understand it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.